Oh my gosh. You got a big class?
Is that good?
You gonna give Papa some?
I have some.
Maybe Papa will want some. Papa want some? No. Give Papa some.
You like their chocolate, huh?
Yeah, give Papa some.
Oh, okay, I'll have more. Oh, Papa, come here. Oh, come on.
Use your sleeve, that's good.
Yeah, we don't need that shirt.
Oh, I think Papa likes chocolate.
He's bouncing. He's all happy. Oh, you hear him? He goes, oh. Isaac, what are you eating? Ice cream? Some chocolate. Oh. Oh, there's some chocolate in there. Whoa, it's a big one. Brain freeze?
Give me that. Give me the eyes.
Oh.
You go like that.
He's trying to do it while he's eating.
Give me the eyes.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, he wants to see.
Oh, okay.
He wants to see.